Gold failing to stay above 2185 as we had discussed yesterday, that is the only level beyond which you can expect that it might rise. We have seen it giving a sharp reversal, and yes, yesterday was the first red candle. Can we expect gold prices to drop more? Can we expect a second bearish candle and an increasing in body size? And if yes, what is going to be our strategy in order to profit, whether be it on the buy side or on the sell side? How to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Thus, watch that as well. And to get the notification, you can subscribe and press the bell icon. And do like, share, and comment, friends. It is a great motivation. Let's start first. We'll look into hourly charts, and towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch. Also, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the YouTube channel membership here in order to support the effort. Now, let's start with the hourly charts. You can clearly see the drop here, and it is under retracement. Right now, you can see it is delivering lower highs, lower lows. It is very, very important now for gold to break past beyond 2164.68. This is the first resistance zone. Rather, I will say 2164.66 as the first resistance zone. 2170 71.5 as the next. If these two levels are breached, then only we can say it is trying to reverse, else it is still under retracement. Also, if you just connect the highs here, you will find, see this, we need to notice that largely on the hourly charts it is trading in this sideways bearish channel, you can say. Now, where are the highs of this? 2175, almost 2175 zone. So in any case, I do not see gold breaking beyond 2180, and as long as it stays below 2180, you should be treating this as bearish for day. That is very, very clearful. It means that when you see it rising towards 2170, 71.5, or then 2175 or 2180 at max, you can again initiate a selling position. This is something you should watch. But whether it can retrace towards that, see 20 and 50 period moving average sitting at around 2164, 65, and 50 period at around 2170 certainly should be a good resistance. Stochastic has seen a rise in MACD after seeing a bearish move. It is crossing over here. This can call for the bulls from here. RSI flat at bottom. Coming to 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, it is under retracement as of now. Very, very important for gold to break past beyond 2164.66, and then beyond that 2170 71.5. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour, similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. After the drop, it is willing to retrace. Now, retracement at least 50%, as long as it respects, we can say that it is bearish. So when you say 50% of the complete move yesterday, we can say 2184.85 to 2150, almost $24, and that makes not 24 but $34, and that makes 2166 as the median here. So be careful at around these levels. These are good resistances, and possibility of retracement towards these levels exists. Stochastic rising here, MACD is bearish trying to converge here, RSI staying flat. Coming to 4. Now on the 4-hour chart, see, one thing you can say, after bearish candles here, it is showing a sign of now sign of reversal means we can expect couple of more greener candles from here, which means a little rise, and which suggests that once it stays, see, it needs to break beyond this double top level. Thus 2164.66 zone are again going to be the resistance zone. You can buy here at 2164, but then with caution towards 2166, 2170 71.5, the next resistance. On the downside, see, most interestingly, it if it breaks below 2154.55, here you can take a sell, but then you can see this 2148.50 zone. This is going to be the next support zone, and if gold breaks below this, we can look forward to a sharper. See, moving averages on the 4-hour charts have started to converge. This can try to at least flatten up a bit before reversing. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is divergent. Yesterday I had mentioned one thing, that it is yielding good waves that can try to hit the precisely. It has continued its journey on the downside. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily, before we look into the details of the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. You can register now itself and enroll yourself in order to enrich yourself with key concepts and strategies which are gathered over the years, so that you can identify profitable trades with ease, and then also you can with the help of trade setups, you can trade profitably. So these three are key highlights of the course, and do not miss this opportunity. Invest in your learning first, which can reap the profits throughout your life. And those who want to trade as just as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to this. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, which is available across the globe. The transactions are easier, which is offers a swap free account, which is a highlight, and which offers the lowest spreads. You can find the broker link, recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Yes, you can trade all the global instruments in this platform, and if you join through the link, you will get the lowest spread. So do join. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can see consolidation here, reversal sign, and first breakout candle. Now after the first breakout candle, I will expect it to deliver second candle, and I expect it to continue on the downside. That is what we can look forward to. In general, if it has shown a stronger bullish move, it has shown a stronger rally, it can try to retrace as well. That is the first observation for the day. As long as 21 65 66 64 66 zone is not breached, in fact I will say 21 70 71.5 is not breached, the bearishness is going to be heavier here, bearishness is going to be stronger here. And only if it breaks, gold breaks beyond 2180, you can say that this is reversal, else I will not treat this as reversal. I'll expect that possibly it can continue with the downside. So where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 2154-55 zone. Wait for it to break below 2148.50, and then if it breaks below 2148.50, we can look forward to 2142 levels as the next targets, and below that, in fact, 2130 cannot be denied. So this is on the downside. Take your positions and see, the day has just started. It can show you swings as well. Thus you can buy here at 2164.65, but with extreme caution at around 2170 71.5. First resistance 2176.78, the next, and then 2184 is the ultimate one. Any breakout beyond 2184 is a sign of bullish reversal. So take your positions accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Watch out the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.